Welcome, today in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to unblock number from this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and here on the right upper corner you will see the three dots. Just tap on the dots and go to the settings. Now here you can see the block number section, and here, as can you see, we got the two block numbers in our blacklist. So just to remove one from the numbers from the blacklist, tap here on this X icon and just confirm to unblock. And as can you see, we got here the message that this number is unblocked. And by the same way you can just unblock the second number. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.